A new intelligent booking and information system of the Leisure and Cultural Services Department, SmartPLAY, was launched today, but there seems to be a hiccup. Under the new system, residents can check the availability of leisure facilities and make advance bookings on a first-come, first-served basis. LCSD said individuals must register and finish the verification stage before being allowed into the system. However, TVB News tried but could not get on the system via I Am Smart, a platform for people using online services of government departments and commercial organizations. Speaking at the Legislative Council today, Undersecretary for Innovation, Technology and Industry Lillian Chung said the department had already contacted the LCSD regarding the matter.